Hello, this video will be an explaining for, for trimester 1 project. You need to create an interactive game that has main 3 sprites, a player that could be controlled using the 4 arrows, and um, um, any sprite that will work as a catcher who need to catch the player. Finally, any target that the player is searching for. Here I added a frog, a snake, and a present. When we click run, I can control the frog up, right, and left, down. Oh, sorry, I didn't add the right and left. It's fine. Okay, and when we try to catch the present and we manage to catch it, okay, he will say happy birthday, and the background will be changed to a party by instant. If he was caught by the snake, the game will stop and he will say caught you. Again, how did we do that? Okay, both here are right. There is a mistake. I need to change this one to be left. Run. Okay, he's moving now right and left. I need to avoid getting in touch with the snake. If I touch the snake, he will say, caught you, and the game will stop. What did I do for my player script? I'm gonna move this and from events, click or select any event you wish. I'm gonna go for when the green flag clicked. First of all, we need to specify the position of our player. I need him to be here. Every time I'm clicking the green flag, he should be here. X and Y, minus 14, Y minus 146. Go for motion, select go to. It will be updated with the current X and Y value. If you're not okay, you can change the X and Y till finding the most suitable position for you. And by the way, I changed the size of the snake to be 70 and the gift, I left it as it was, but I guess it could be smaller, like 80. If you're not okay with the size of your sprites, change that. Then I'm going to add from control a forever loop here to keep on repeating what will be added inside. What I'm gonna do is when the up arrow clicked, the frog should be moving up. Moving up will be moving on the Y coordinate. Moving up will be changing the Y with when I'm going up, the value will be increasing. The Y value here is increasing. When I'm going down, the value of Y is decreasing. So moving up will be moving with a positive value. Moving down on the Y coordinate will be moving with a negative value. Go for if then, and in the condition from sensing key space, I'm not gonna use the key space, I'm using the up arrow from motion. You need to change the Y value, so change Y by, we said moving up will be increasing the Y value, so I'm gonna leave it with a positive value. You can drag another F statement and add the down arrow. Easily, you can right click the block here, duplicate it, place it inside the forever. And from here, I'm gonna go for the down arrow and add any negative value So the y value will be decreased. Test, it's moving up and down. Stop. Again, I'm going to duplicate this. If you're not okay with copying and paste or duplicating, feel free to drag from Control and F statement again. This time, I'm gonna go for the right arrow. Going right and left is moving on the X coordinate. Moving to the right is increasing for the X. Moving to the left is decreasing of the X. Okay? This time, this is right. I'm not going to change the Y. I need to change X. And to the right is a positive value, duplicate, place it here. And this time, left arrow. And we're gonna change it by a minus 10. Test again. Click on the run, up, right. Sorry, this is left, right, down. Everything's working. This is for the frog script or the main player script. For the snake or the catcher or whatever kind of barrier I need to avoid, I'm gonna delete this as well. Again, when the green flag clicked, first step always is setting your event. Then I need to have my snake here in x minus 16, y 36. So I need to set the position of the snake. Okay. Usually, or 100%, 99%, you need to start any script by adding an event, then specifying the x and the y value of your script. Okay. This time I need my my snake to be walking from the right to the left. So he need to move. Okay, so I need a move. And I need him to repeat that move. So from control again, add a forever as he will repeat it. There is no need to stop it, or we may have it stop it. So I'm gonna go for repeat until. Repeat until what? He's going to repeat the move until getting in touch with the frog. So my condition here, it will be repeated until touching the snake from sensing, touching the frog, sorry, touching the frog. He will repeat moving from the right to the left. Run. Okay, he's moving, but he's going out of the screen. So to keep him inside, when on each, he will bounce again. So from motion, go for if on each, bounce. To make sure he's going to be inside and he wouldn't go out. Run. This is good. If you wanna identify his direction, it's okay, بس يعني or the rotation style to be left to right, it's fine. So actually يعني بيبص right to left. Okay. Then I want him to say when he getting in touch with the frog, he should say from locks, say, okay, after he get in touch. He will say quote you. Feel free to change it as you like. English, quote you. Okay. I'm having my say outside as he will be repeating the action of moving until touching the frog. So after he touched, I'm sure he wouldn't be moving. Say, coach, you for 2 seconds. I'm gonna make it for 1 second. And when he did so, he will stop the game. So stop all from control, stop all. Okay, time. Run to see what do we have. Okay, coach you, and the game stopped. I'm trying to move up, down, right, left. Nothing is happening. Right. The script of the gift. This is so easy, by the way. From event, specify the position of your gift. It's easy to move your gift anywhere and then go for motion, drag the X and Y. It will be updated with the current X and Y value. Then I need a F statement from control in the condition of the F statement. It will be from sensing when get in touch with the frog as well. What will happen? It will say congratulations or happy birthday, so ever from Lux, say like happy birthday. And it will say it for 1 second. And I want to change the backdrop. There's something in the backdrops here. From backdrop, I selected the backdrops. And from the backdrop here, I'm having two backdrops, party and jungle. When I start my program, it should be jungle. When I get in touch with the gift, it should be party. So back to the gift. From locks, I'm going to switch to party, and in the main script of the frog, out of the forever, it will be done once. So there is no need to keep on repeating. Switch backdrop to start every time with the jungle run. Okay, try to avoid him. Okay, okay. It didn't work as I didn't add the forever loop to keep on doing the action inside. So place it here. Okay, where is the frog set? كده. After I start again, it will be jungle again. You may go like كده an extra mile and add from the variables. Make a score variable and make that score increase when we get in touch with the uh, the gift. For example, we're gonna change the value of score by 1. So when we get in touch, the score will be 1.